About a 5 to 7 minute drive from the beach, and we're at the Portimão public market. There's a bustling fish market when you first enter the building. It is quite unique in terms of the varieties of seafood. Well, that's a big fish, and yeah, it's got some teeth on it too. Trying to identify as many of these as possible. Looks like a scorpion fish. Squid, really slimy. This is a scabbard fish from my Google Translate. No idea what this is. I couldn't read the writing, but they look like aliens. These look like brains, but they are fish eggs. And now we're on to some of the more traditional parts of the market that we're used to. Fresh produce, fruits and vegetables, plenty of nuts and seeds. Food's quite reasonably priced here, not like our markets back home. Here you could pick up a kilo of oranges for roughly €1. We got some local kiwis to the Algarve for less than $1. Sorry, less than €1. If you're enjoying this content, please subscribe to the channel and smash the like button. Greatly appreciated. Thank you.